Hello and welcome to my new milkshake tutorial. In this milkshake tutorial, we will do a Mickey Mouse milkshake. And to begin with, you first need some chocolate ice cream, some apples, some cookies, some peaches, some sweets, some white chocolate, some mixed crumbles, and milk. When you have all these ingredients together, you can first add the apples to the cup. Then add the peaches and then the chocolate ice cream. You can also add some sweets for flavor and then add the milk. I highly recommend blending it a bit longer because then it gets more creamier. For toppings, I use whipped cream. I think whipped cream is really good on milkshakes because it makes it more tastier, and I also use some white chocolate because it just fits with the chocolate ice cream, and I also use some mixed crumbles. Then I cut the cookie in half because it didn't fit on my milkshake. So I hope it still represents the ears for you, but I think it looks great. And yeah, your milkshake is ready, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and of course, enjoy.